Blocking or restricting access to certain websites on your iPhone 15 allows you to control web content, enhancing online safety for yourself or others using the device, particularly useful for parental controls or maintaining focus during work hours. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Navigate to the Restrictions section and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. In the succeeding menu, tap to turn the content restrictions switch on. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode. To continue, scroll down and tap on Store, Web, Siri, and Game Center content. Find Web content and then tap on it to proceed. On the succeeding window, select the option to limit adult websites. Navigate to the Never Allow section, then tap on Add Website. Now, enter the web address or URL of the site you want to block, then tap Done. To add more websites, simply tap Add Website again and repeat the process. You can block multiple websites by following these same steps for each site you want to restrict. Once you've added all the websites you want to block, you can exit the Settings app. Now, when someone attempts to access a blocked website using Safari or other browsers on the iPhone, they'll see a message indicating that the website is restricted. This feature on your iPhone 15 provides a powerful tool for content control, allowing you to create a safer browsing environment or reduce distractions by limiting access to specific websites. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.